But leading us off, unfit for humans, filthy and just shocking. Those are the words of Galveston County's public health authority used to describe a shelter for children he recently shut down.
Now the vice chairman of the board for the shelter is speaking out. Lauren Tallarico has the exclusive interview. She joins us with the latest. Lauren?
The Children's Center has been around for decades. It's a shelter that provides transitional housing to people who don't have anywhere else to go. Board members say they were shocked when they were shut down on Easter weekend. This year, the Children's Center in Galveston is meant to celebrate 145 years of service.
I was appalled. I've seen crack houses that are cleaner.
Instead, they're now shut down by the Galveston Health District.
When I saw the place, I immediately took action that day.
Galveston County Health Authority Dr. Philip Kaiser says the health district was notified last month after a child staying at the center tested positive for high levels of lead. Upon investigation, he says they found other red flags.
There were rat droppings everywhere, rat holes, rat droppings on beds, and several of the people actually got fleas on them. It was just complete inattentiveness to any type of cleanliness.
So on April 6th, Kaiser shut them down, allowing 72 hours for eviction.
What was their reaction when they found out?
I think they were all shocked. I think the staff was shocked.
Of course, it was devastating to me.
David Holman, vice chairman of the Children's Center Board, says the past 2 weeks have been difficult.
I have a passion for the Children's Center and for homeless shelters. It was part of my life.
He is one of the thousands of people who have stayed at this shelter.
Came down here, didn't have nowhere to go, and the Children's Center took us in as a family. My children were 12, 8, and 4 at the time.
Now he sits on the board as a volunteer. He says he visits the shelter every month or so and was surprised it got shut down.
They're old buildings, and it's for any any place in Galveston or any old building in this nation, it's easy for rodents to get in.
He says they all want to fix it.
I'm very grateful that they brought it to our attention, and we just need help. Hopefully from them and hopefully from the community.
Saying funds they have allow one person to service all 4 buildings that are provided rent-free by the county.
Do you anticipate putting different people in place to run the home to make sure that the cleanliness is taken care of?
Oh, most definitely. I'm not the type to hide anything or anything. We have to fix it, period. And we need help fixing it.
Right now, Dr. Kaiser says the 21 people who were at the shelter are now being housed somewhere else. Meanwhile, he will be filing a report with the Texas Health and Human Services Department to see if any other further actions need to be taken. But the vice chairman hopes they can all figure this out so they can start helping people once again. Reporting from Galveston County, I'm Lauren Tallarico, KHOU 11 News.